Hi everyone, so we're going to go over our 4 vocabulary words this week related to the Greta Thunberg and Earth article. We'll start with these. So first we'll go over our first words. We have protect, Earth, climate change, important. All right, so we'll start with protect. Protect is to keep safe from harm. So protect, like if you want to protect your family from, let's say if you want to protect yourself from getting sick, or if you want to protect someone from getting hurt, that means that you want to stop them from something bad happening to them. You want to protect them. The next word is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. And so we've gone over this word many times. Earth is the world. The world is where we live. We live on Earth, and there are 2 other planets before Earth, closest to the sun, which are Mercury and Venus. And then there's Earth, where we live. The next word is climate change. The change in usual weather over a long period of time. And so climate is like the weather. We have sunny, rainy, cold, snowing. All these are like the climate, the weather. And if it changes drastically, something very different happens, that might be of concern. It might be something that's not a good thing. So climate change is when we are, like, for example, we're used to having a lot of sun and suddenly there's a lot of rain. Or suddenly we have no rain and then our plants start dying, or we have to conserve our water. All right, so climate change is not necessarily a good thing. Our last word is important. Necessary or of great value. Important. Something that we need, something that is worth a lot to us. One more time, we have protect, to keep safe from harm. Earth, the third planet from the sun. Climate change, the change in usual weather over a long period of time. Important, necessary, or of great value. So if you see these words in your article, feel free to circle them. Every time you see protect, Earth, climate change, or important, circle it in your article, and you can count how many times these words show up in your article.